English Grammar Part 5. Parts of Speech. The words that we write or say can be divided into 8 classes called parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, verbs, adverb, adjective, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjection. Observe this sentence. Anita quickly passed the ball to Balu and he kicked the ball into the net for the winning goal. Yes. The above sentence has 8 parts of speech. Noun Anita, ball, Balu, net, goal. These are nouns. Pronoun, there is one pronoun he. Next, verbs. Passed and kicked are verbs. Next, adverb. Quickly is adverb. Next, adjective. Winning word is adjective. Next, preposition. To, into, for. There are 3 prepositions in this sentence. Conjunction. And is conjunction. Interjection. Yes is interjection. There are one article in this sentence, the. So, sentences has 2 or more than 2 has parts of speech. One more sentence, observe. The old man was sitting under a tree and patiently waiting for his son. Man, tree, son. These 3 words are nouns. His, it is pronoun. Was, sitting, waiting. These 3 words are verbs. Patiently, it is adverb. Owned, it is adjective. For, under, these 2 words are prepositions. And, it is conjunction. Now, let us discuss each parts of speech in detail. First, noun. A noun is a name of a person, animal, place, thing or idea. Example, persons. Ravi, Gauri, boy, girl, grandma, doctor, so many. Next, animals. Example, dog, hen, tree, bee, like that. Places. Example, Tirupati, Dinhi, Jew, school, like that, things. Example, book, chair, pen, apple, so many. Idea. Example, joy, honesty, love, truth, friendship, freedom, like that. Ra- Ram is going to the market with his dog to buy a ball. In this sentence, Ram is a name of a person, market is a name of a place, dog is name of an animal, ball is name of the thing. So, noun as names of persons, places, animals, things. Second one, pronoun. A pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. Example, John is hungry. He wants to eat. Here John is a noun. Replace the John's word he. So it is pronoun. He is pronoun. Children are in the garden. They are playing. Here their word is referring to the children. So they are pronoun. Some more examples. It is a big cat. He read books. She gave me the pen yesterday. In these sentences, it, he, she, me are pronouns. Next, verb. A verb tells us what the noun or pronoun do. That means action. What they are or what they have. One more statement. A verb tells us what the noun or pronoun's action or state of being. Example, action words. Ask, jump, think, run. So many words is there. Next, state of being. Is, are, have, has, were, like that. Observe some more examples. Gopal drinks water regularly. Here Gopal do some action. What he do? Drinks. So it is verb. Second, our teacher is a kind man. Here is a state of a noun. So is a verb. The elephant has large ears. Has means the elephant have. So it has also verb. Fourth, adverb. An adverb tells more about a verb, another adverb or adjective. It can describe how often, when or where. Example, the tortoise walked slowly. How the tortoise walked? Slowly. So it is represented the verb. So it is adverb. I go to school before 9 a.m. It is time before. When do you go? So it is adverb. How related words? Loudly, quickly, fastly. How often? Related words. Always, never. when related words before, soon, where related words away, inside. Next, adjective. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. Example: Sita has long hair. Long is describes the noun, so long word is adjective. Next, the old man had two dogs. Old is adjective, two also adjective. Adjectives are different size and shape. They are tiny, long, oval, small. Textual: smooth, rough. Taste related adjectives: sour, sweet. Appearance: beautiful, bright. Color related adjectives: green, white. Next, preposition. A preposition shows relationship between words in a sentence. Example: I was sitting on a chair near the window. Here, on is a place, so it is preposition. Near, it is also place, it is also preposition. Next example: I went to store with my family. To, with, these two words are prepositions. Days related prepositions: in, on, under, over, at. Movement related prepositions: up, down, over, into, from, to. Time related prepositions: on, in, at. Next, conjunction. A conjunction helps to connect words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. Example: I was tired, so I went to sleep. Here, two clauses is there to connect two clauses with so. So word is conjunction. Next, Raju and Priya are good friends. There are two words, Raju and Priya. They are connected with and. So it is conjunction. Some more conjunctions like for, and, but. Next, interjection. A interjection express sudden feelings. Example: my team has won the match. Here, her is interjection. Oh, I spinned the milk. Oh is interjection. Some more interjections: ho, alas, how, wow. Now recap all parts of speech.